pamusoro yemachembere, pamusoro yeharawa nemimese mazezuru, imweredzo ndopinda mukuraya nerurimi rwavari kushandisa. Mungazoti zvimwe ini muhera ndapanduka rurimi bodo. I am playing my Mbira today to speak to you through its music about the materiality and the spirituality. The materiality of not only the Shona people has in the 21st century become a force that breaks away from the spirituality that has been the cornerstone for society. The last 100 years has been a rise in materiality to such an extent it has caused the individual to be more egoistical and ambitious for personal gain and immediate gratification, casting aside the spirituality that have been handed down by parents to children. I have seen that this disintegration has been the downfall of communal spirituality. What can be the link between the two forces? I ask myself. How can a society hold itself together? What traditionally can move across and be accepted in the new? I ask myself. What can be a healing influence to keep the spirit in harmony with itself? I have seen people lost without their traditions. Mental and physical diseases and disharmony I see in the society around me. People drinking perhaps too much. People watching television perhaps too much. Diseases running through and obliterating mind and soul. This I don't exempt myself from. I have seen these things in my brothers and sisters, all their families swept up in this typhoon change. And what can rest and heal the spirit in these great times of change? It is Mbira in my life that has become a bridge with the healing water that is restoring body and soul, earth and air, and turning enemies to friends. These simple Mbira songs and rhythms strike deep into the soul of the individual ego and calls them to reunite with the soul of the earth, to restore harmony within themselves. I am including myself in this great song, for it is through me that the songs of my ancient people resonate. I am finding new ways. Being a woman, I have broken from the ways of a traditional Mbira player by playing an instrument which was supposed to be played only by men. I have brought these new songs, new vibrations into a new mixture. Into a new mixture that does not hide the past but is not stuck in it. I have seen a wave of understanding grow in my society. I am just part of this swelling sound. My friends and country people can hear my songs, and together we can be led on by Mbira being a true spirit guide to bring us all into health and harmony. just a small part and play Mbira to link myself and my people to a world that needs us to work in this harmony. So, materiality is here to stay. Mbira music is here to stay. New thoughts are growing out of the soul of the earth, and the stars can still be our guardians, but our eyes must open to the wave of change. With Mbira, our hearts can open and our dance can begin. I am part of this dance and invite you here today to listen and to be brought into consciousness by my Mbira. I would ask you to relax. Let your mind flow with the sound of its healing water. Let this Mbira music move into you. Around you. Relax and allow the universe to join with it in its healing call. Mbira. Some of you are melting. Some of you are still like stones. But Mbira warms you to your bones and asks you to begin to see, to begin to dance. Begin to hold hands in friendship to allow us all to connect outside this space. To those who have no bodies but would be included in our dance to the health and restoration of ourselves. Thanks. Diroro hara wana machembere.